Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I have uploaded very important all university updates. University Grants Commission will give new guidelines to all universities within 2 days. Friends, before seeing this video, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. When will UGC issue new guidelines? Social media is buzz with this question as students yearn for clarity on the examination. While some states has already cancelled all degree examination without waiting for UGC guidelines and holding the exams, uncertainty is looming large over others as the University Grants Commission is yet to issue an official communication in this matter, and students are expecting a uniform decision on final year assessment. Recently, Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank sir has also asked the UGC to revisit its guidelines on conducting exams and next academic calendar amid rising COVID-19 cases. Friends, our Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal sir has told UGC to revisit its guidelines and to change its guidelines and to give new academic calendar and to start new semester for all the students while promoting all the students without exams. And the foundation for revisited guidelines shall be health and safety of students. The minister had highlighted the guidelines. However, new UGC guidelines will be released within 1 or 2 days, sources has confirmed to indiatvnews.com. This would end the wait of lakhs of students who are in a cliffhanger like situation. Back in April, the higher education regulator had issued a set of guidelines that said fresh admissions were to be completed in August and classes scheduled to begin in September. These guidelines allowed to all universities to follow. And a look at previous UGC guidelines. Issuing the guidelines in April end, the UGC allowed universities to conduct semester exams in July either online or offline depending upon feasibility and the COVID-19 situation. It also asked the varsities to reduce the exam duration from 3 hours to 2 hours. And the commission had said the exams for final year semester students will be conducted in July, and it recommended that intermediate semester students may either be evaluated on the basis of internal assessment or in states where the COVID-19 situation has not controlled will be directly passed without any marks and to next semester. And the UGC asked the universities to take a call whether to conduct exams online or offline, keeping in view support system available with them and ensuring fair opportunity to all students. But many of the students are from villages or remote areas and they are facing lots of problem regarding network issue or bandwidth issue. So UGC has cancelled online mode of exams for all students. And it had also said that in case the situation does not appear to be normal in the view of COVID-19, the safety and health of students be prioritized and the grading could be composite of 50% marks on the basis of internal evaluation and the remaining 50% marks can be awarded on the basis of performance in previous semester. And the situation where previous semester or previous year marks are not available, or if the student has backlog in subjects, particularly in the first year of annual pattern of examinations, 100% evaluation may be done on the basis of internal assessments. The internal evaluation can be continuous evaluation, prelims, mid-semester internal evaluation. And the UGC had said if the students wishes to improve the grades, He or she may appear in special exams for such subjects during the next semester. If the students wants more marks or he or she doesn't want a dummy mark, he can write exams after the COVID-19 cases get controlled. And this was the update given today. Friends, if you like this video, please do like and share. And share this video to all your friends so that they can know about this update. And for further educational updates, please tap the bell icon. Thank you.